before we start preparing the cake, meaning mixing the ingredients, I would warm up the oven to the right temperature. The reason is because when the cake is ready, it's not good for it to sit too long on the counter before you put it in the oven. And you don't want to put the cake inside the oven too early while the oven is still warming up, because while the burners are, when the oven is warming up, the burners are on, and it's going to cause the cake either to burn or to cook too fast while the inside is going to stay raw. So we have to wait until the temperature will be right. I set it for 350, and we're going to look inside the oven and see that I put the rack that I'm going to bake on in the middle. The cake is going to be in the middle too. Another important thing, because if it's on any of the one of the sides, it can get cooked quicker. Since the burners on the bottom are on each side, it's going to get cooked quicker on one side while the other side is not cooked enough. So the best thing to do if you make one cake is to put it in the middle. If you make two cakes, then you have to remember every once in a while to turn the cake a little bit to the other side, so all sides will cook equally.